Tiga.
Hello everyone, my name is Nicolas. I'm from Body Video School, and today I'll be presenting my project that I use with Python to make a Minesweeper game. So I'll be presenting the game interface, the actual gameplay, and the code analysis. So we begin. This is what the start menu looks like. We could select the difficulty and play the game and exit the application. And this is basically what the game looks like. Here's how it originally looks like, and after you click a bunch of grids. And this your objective is to click on every grid without stepping on the bomb. And when you successfully do that, you get congratulations. You could play the game again or go back to the start menu. And this is the same thing that happens when you fail. So I'll show you the code is basically like this, where we have to import stuff, and this is what the text looks like. And then this is for the start menu. And after the start menu, we have the pre-setup code. After the pre-setup, we have the actual setup code, and after the setup code, we have to make the map. And after making the map, you actually have the gameplay. You could click, you could lose after stepping on the bomb, you could win if you don't click on the bomb, and this is to start the application. So here I will show you. This is the selection of easy maps. It's for easy, where there's 5 by 5, as you can see here. And medium has a 7 by 7, and the hard has 10 by 10. And this is the text format. So for example, we have the accent is for the title. And this is for the initializing. And we have the open menu. This is for the start menu. Here you can see the title over here, and we can select level. And this is to play and exit. So the play is basically this button. Let's take the medium for example. So it sets up everything. It destroys anything if you have played the map before, so it doesn't break the application. And here it selects a random map. And here it creates a button, well, many buttons as you can see here. And this is for the gameplay. You could click and try to not step on a bomb like I just did. And if you successfully complete the game, then you win the game. And if you click yes here, you could play again, or you could click no to go back to the start menu. That's it for my presentation. Thank you for listening.